What if I told you that some of nature's most remarkable ingredients may hold the key to healthier, fuller looking hair? Well, that's exactly what we're exploring today. I'm sharing a simple yet powerful blend of water and nourishing ingredients that have been traditionally used to support healthy hair and promote stronger, more resilient strands. So without further ado, let's get right into this video.
1, 2, 3.
The first ingredient is ginger. For centuries, ginger has been treasured in various cultures and traditional practices. Today, it remains one of the most popular ingredients among natural hair enthusiasts because of its refreshing and invigorating properties. Many people appreciate ginger for the way it helps maintain a healthy scalp environment, which is essential for supporting stronger, healthier looking hair. And that's one of the reasons it continues to be a favorite ingredient in countless homemade treatments. I'll put this in a bowl and move on to the next ingredient. The second ingredient is the onion. Despite its strong scent, onion has earned a special place in natural hair care. Rich in valuable nutrients and naturally occurring sulfur compounds, it has become a trusted ingredient for people looking to maintain thicker, healthier looking strands. And it's no surprise that onion-based treatments have remained popular for generations among those seeking stronger and more resilient hair. Here is the onion in the bowl, and my third ingredient is garlic. And don't let its size fool you. Garlic is one of the most valued ingredients in traditional beauty practices. Packed with beneficial compounds and antioxidants, it is widely appreciated for helping to maintain a clean, balanced scalp. And we all know that healthy hair begins with a healthy scalp. After cutting it into smaller pieces, go ahead and place it right in your bowl. Now I have a fresh lime right here, and I'm simply removing the peel because that's the part we're going to be using in today's recipe. I'm going to chop the peel into small pieces and add it right into the mixture. And why? Because lime peel is packed with beneficial plant compounds and antioxidants that many natural hair lovers enjoy incorporating into their routines. In addition, its refreshing properties can help maintain a clean and balanced scalp, creating an ideal environment for healthier looking hair. Alright guys, I already have my pan ready. I'm now going to transfer all of the ingredients into the pan, followed by the chopped lime peel. Next, I'll add 2.5 cups of water, then give everything a really good mix. Now it's time to place the pan on the stove and let the magic begin. Allowing these ingredients to simmer together helps create a rich herbal infusion and allows all of the ingredients to blend beautifully. I'll let everything boil for about 5 to 10 minutes before removing it from the stove. We're not stopping here, guys. I'm now going to leave the mixture in the pan for a full 24 hours. This extra time allows the ingredients to infuse even further, creating a rich and concentrated botanical treatment. Now, after 24 hours, it's time to now strain the mixture and separate the liquid from the solid pieces. In our last video, my mom showed you exactly how to make a natural hair mask using these leftover particles, which you can follow that exact video and make the same with this one. And with that, our herbal infusion is ready. Healthy hair begins with a healthy scalp. And when the scalp is properly cared for, it creates the ideal environment for stronger, healthier looking strands. To make this treatment even more nourishing, I'm going to add a few extra ingredients, starting off with vitamin E oil. Then I'll be using a little castor oil. Finally, I'll add some vegetable glycerin, which helps attract and retain moisture. Together, these all help create a richer, more moisturizing treatment that leaves the hair feeling soft, nourished, and refreshed. Now I have a spray bottle to transfer this beautiful herbal infusion for easy application. I'll be using a funnel to help me with that. And with that, this treatment is all done. Whenever you use this treatment, make sure your main focus is the scalp. Healthy hair starts at the roots, so take your time and apply and spray directly to the scalp, section by section, if that helps you. Once you've finished applying it, spend a few minutes gently massaging your scalp with your fingertips. This simple step helps distribute the treatment more evenly and turns your application into a relaxing self-care experience. Don't forget to allow the treatment to remain on your scalp for about 30 minutes to an hour. Then you can wash your hair thoroughly with a good shampoo, making sure to cleanse the scalp properly. And if you notice that the scent of onion is still in your hair afterwards, don't worry, there's a simple solution. Just boil some cinnamon and add more of cinnamon stars, as they tend to release a richer, more pleasant aroma, although cinnamon sticks work wonderful as well. You can use the cinnamon water as a final rinse, and the best part is that you don't even have to wash it out. However, if you prefer, you can rinse out your hair with plain water afterwards. Dryness is also one of the biggest enemies of healthy hair because it often leads to breakage and it makes it harder to retain length. Keeping your hair moisturized helps maintain softness, elasticity, and overall strength. Now, I want to say a special thank you to Ida McFarland, my very first channel member. I truly appreciate your support and thank you for being here and helping my channel grow. Before we finish this video, I wanted to let you guys know that I've officially opened my channel memberships. So if you truly enjoy my hair care videos and you want access to my content before everyone else, you can now join and become part of my private family membership. My first membership is called Hair Besties for $5.99 a month, where you get early access to my videos, loyalty badges, custom emojis, and priority replies to all your comments. And my second membership is called Dyer Dolls for $7.99 a month, which includes everything from the first level plus exclusive member shoutouts, as well as priority replies to every single one of your questions. You can inform me about the statuses of your hair and I will answer them, as well as anything else that you would like. If you would like to support me and get exclusive access, the first link in my description will take you directly to my memberships page for you to check it out. Thank you guys so much for all the love and support. It truly means everything to me and my mom. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye!